how to download Meetup on your phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download Meetup app on your phone. So how do you do so? The first step is to scroll down on your app list and locate your Play Store. So once you've located your Play Store, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. Okay, so on this page you would see a number of applications depending on the ones that you've searched for or gotten so far. And so once you can see all of these applications, the next step is for you to click on the search box and type out the name of the application that you'd like to download, which in this case is called Meetup, and then search for it. And then once you found it, click on it, and then you'll be brought to the page where you'll see details about the application. By the time you scroll down, you'll see the different reviews about the app, and also you'll see pictures about the application, how you can join groups, how you can explore your city, how you can make new friends, how you can even start your own group. Then scroll down and click on install, and you wait for a while. All right, and so as you can see, it's already downloading. So you wait until when it is done downloading in order for it to be installed into your device. So once it is done downloading, it will be installed directly on your mobile phone, and then you can just click on open in order to open up the application, and then you can create an account and you're good to go. So this is how you can download Meetup on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.